a whistle. Good bird. Now, Miss Jihan, I've heard that Lani and Rudy loves to sing. Is that true?
Yes, they love to sing. But before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Now, Lani and Rudy, let's have a warm up. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now, let's have our first song. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I love you more than I can. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than I can. And now for our second song, can I ask, is there anyone celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Okay, so happy birthday to all our celebrants here with us today. Now, Lenny and Rudy, we have some celebrants. So what are you going to do? Let's try it again.
That's not happy birthday.
Okay, last one. See how talented parrots are? They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart, just like humans using their voices.
Oh yeah,
Now,
what's
ladies
2,000
and
times?
gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause
1,000.
for our amazing
I mean,
mimicking parrots,
2,000
Lenny
times
and Rudy.
times what?
Miss Jihan.
2,000.
She couldn't.
Oh, lagi batangan mo.
Now, since we're already in Brazil, let's meet Lani and Rudy's good friend, our handsome tugan, Mr. Horn. So, tugan is one of the largest and well-known tugan in the world. They have a white throat and black feathers on their body that help them camouflage in the tropical rainforest. They have a large and colorful bill that looks heavy, but in reality it is extremely light as it is made of protein and keratin, just like our hair and nails. Now, when toucans travels, they don't fly long distances like other birds. Instead, they hop between branches and flop their wings vigorously to reach their destination.